Want to create a clean and modern text cut logo effect in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you a simple method step by step. Let's get started. First, pick the text tool. I'm using the font Lemon Milk Medium. Now hold Alt and drag to duplicate the text layer. Hold Shift and press the left arrow key to adjust the position. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T for free transform. Now select one text layer, right-click and convert it into a smart object. Again, select the second layer and convert it into a smart object as well. Next, pick the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Change the color to anything you like. Now, slightly rotate the shape. And go to the rectangle layer. Hold Ctrl to create a selection, then click on the text layer. Pick the eraser tool and erase the selected area. To remove the selection, press Ctrl+D. Now hide the rectangle layer, and you will see the part of the text is erased exactly how we wanted. Now repeat the same process. Go to the rectangle layer, hold Ctrl to create a selection, then select the next text layer, press E to pick the eraser tool, and remove the selected area. Hide the rectangle layer, and check the result on the text. Next, rotate the rectangle again, and place it over the next letter where you want to cut. Again, go to the rectangle layer, hold Ctrl, then select the text layer and erase the selected part using the eraser tool. Repeat this process quickly for all remaining letters until your design looks complete. Now select both layers by holding Shift, right-click, and convert them into a smart object. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Now go to your logo mockup and paste it using Ctrl+V. Press Ctrl+T to transform and adjust the size. Click on the check mark and confirm the changes. And just like that, your modern logo design is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to TBO Graphics for more creative Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next video.